Hello my dear friends. Today's video is Hot Toys 1/6 scale MMS702, the Dark Knight Trilogy Batman Armory with Bruce Wayne. Well, it is Darkknightrises Batman Armory to be precise. I recently received it, which I pre-ordered in May 2023. Worth the wait? Let's open it up and see. However, before this set, MMS235, the Dark Knight Batman Armory with Alfred Pennyworth, released in circa 2014. I bought it second-hand and it shows some signs of aging, but it still is a nice looking set. Enough said. Now let's talk about the new one. Contents. First impression is that it is much simpler than the previous version, especially the number of accessories, weapons and such, much less. Well, that's fine by me, as there will be less fiddly work to do. Out of the box. Right, let's talk about the armory first. Oh, look at these working hydraulic cylinders. Marvelous. The way weapons and other pieces are displayed is quite different from the previous version. Cool. Slide out each pull-out cabinet. Then insert each weapons and accessories to the corresponding shapes on each cabinet, as shown. One by one, like this. Testing your IQ, so to speak, and be a lab monkey. 5 more to go. Now the 6th cabinet, the last one completed. Nice. By the way, there is a nice dew texture on the surface of the armory, very well detailed and quite pleasant to the eyes. Now connect top LED ceiling to the bottom power source with this cable. This way, so it blends well with other cables. Then insert USB cable like this. Turn the switch on. Voila! You can keep the lights on all the time, or using this remote control, or built-in switch at the back. Lights can be off and on. Nice. Articulation. First, the Batman figure. The same as previously released figures, although it's been updated, refined and improved in small details here and there, but not so obvious, unless compared side by side. Nothing spectacular, except perhaps the cape, which is much thinner and drapes well. Compare with the previous ones. Now let's see how he moves. Now this set's highlight, well, at least to me, Bruce Wayne figure. It is practically a statue. The only articulation is his head and ankles move horizontally to help the figure to stand well. That's it. Just one more thing, both heads come with separate rolling eyeballs. There's a little obvious parting line, but from a distance it blends well. Showtime! Conclusion. The main selling point for this set to me is the Bruce Wayne figure. Something different. You know, the Armory box, on the other hand, is a bit too simple. But I guess it is movie accurate, so no problem. Overall, another good figure set for any Dark Knight Batman fans, and yes, it was worth the wait. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a good one. Enjoy your life. Ciao.